Hello everyone, this is Lloyd from Bizzfo with a short tutorial of how to do your manufacturing. Let's just quickly look at our inventory setup. I've added 3 items here, so let's have a look. We've got shocks, wheels and a car. So looking at the shock, just quickly the product setup. This is a normal per item um, unit. The wheels as well, so it's quite simple in this case. And what we're going to do is we're going to use manufacturing to actually produce one car. So we don't have anything in stock right now. It's just easier to track. So let's have a look. Alright, clicking on manufacturing. Manufacturing at the bottom, you'll see it's basically a 3-step process. So we'll start right at the beginning. I'm going to click on new, and what we're going to do is we're going to say create a new formula, and we're going to say a new car. Okay, so with a new car, what you want to do is you want to select the item that you're actually linking it to. It just makes it a bit easier. And so once I've selected it, I just click on the little accept button. Alright, next up, the first thing we do is we populate our menu or our formula, and we're going to add shocks. We'll do, the car's got 4 shocks, so I'm just going to do another one, and wheel. So very simple, we've got 4 wheels. Good. Next step we do, obviously we can manipulate the screen by adding and removing items. At the bottom we can see our formula cost based on the inventory items. And next up I want to click on my produce. So there we go. So it gives a manufacturer number, and it gives the next sequence, which is 3. And let's have a look. So this is the actual items we want to produce, their costs and their quantities, with the manufacturer number that was auto created for us. The formula we're using is car, and then if there was a description or instructions. So this naturally can be used for food or hardware. On our right hand side, because I selected the car, it's by default listing this item. It's in stock, it's got 0. The current cost is 120, and this is the actual GP. So by manufacturing this item, we'll be taking 4 out of stock 4 shocks and wheel, and we'll produce 1 car. So let's see what that looks like. So I click on my manufacture, and the manufacturing is complete. Alright, so this is the one we used. So let's have a look on our production list. So you'll notice this is just a high level overview of the actual items. I've did some test items before, and then selecting that one and printing, we get our actual manufacturer sheet that was done. So guys, that's basically it. And before we close off, you can cancel your production if you want to reverse it, but let's have a look on the impact on our inventory. So good, there we have it. So we've got 1 car in stock now with -4 shocks and -4 wheels. Cool guys, that's it. Any questions, please feel free to pop us a mail at info@bizzfo.co.za.